Mrs. Grace P. Palomino, School President, members of the boards of trustees, teachers, staff, parents, learners, visitors, a warm welcome. I want to start by expressing my heartfelt gratitude to my Lord and Savior. He is the reason why I'm speaking and standing in front of you. I cannot believe I'm finally junior high completed. Time came by so fast, as if it was nothing as now. God will give me another chance to go back in time. I would choose my high school life because it is filled with memorable and unforgettable memories with my classmates, schoolmates, and teachers. For the CNS, its teachers and staff, thank you for nurturing and taking care of me this past 4 years. Making sure that I'm on the right path from preschool to elementary, from middle school to high school. Thank you for providing me knowledge, support, and love. I will ensure that I will carry all of this in the next chapter of my life. To my current advisor, Sir Ronaldo Rafi, thank you for being the kind and lovable, even though we may be attending for you. Be sure to guide us before we move to our next chapter in life. You are the reason I am improving math. You are also the reason why math became easier for us. Even though we can always keep up, you gave your time and patience for us to learn in our side. And for my special teacher, thank you for supporting and comforting me in my time of need. Thank you for the joy and life lesson you gave to me. I will always remember the kind of you have done. I'm thankful God is you take me back on the right path. To my friends, dear teachers, staff, and especially to my family for supporting me throughout this journey. Thank you. For my second family, my classmates, you are finally graduates. Thank you for all the fun. And lastly, my fellow graduates, I'm sure some of you may be unsure or worried about your next chapter in life. Remember this, in Jeremiah 29 verse 11 says, I know the plans I have in mind for you, declares the Lord. They are plans for peace, not disaster, to give you a future little future. And if some of you are worried about the future, remember that the Lord is always with you. For the Lord commanded Joshua. In Joshua 1 verse 9 says, I've commanded you to be brave and strong habitat. Don't be alarmed or terrified, because the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. You may all have a great day, and God bless all the Filipinos for a stronger future of the new Philippines. Thank you.